For this project, you'll need a number 3 light yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. You can find the list of the materials in the description box, as well as the link to the first part of this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crochet this Easter basket, and if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe for more of these types of tutorials. Begin with a slip stitch and chain 21. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet into each chain. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Row number 2, single crochet into each stitch. Now repeat row number 2 until you have a total of 19 rows. Fasten off and cut the yarn. For the sides of the basket, we're going to start with a slip stitch and make a chain of 21. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet into each chain. Now before closing off your last stitch, we're going to take our second color and we're going to place the loop into the hook and we're going to pull through to finish off our single crochet stitch. From here, we will be working with the second color. So row number 2, using the second color, you're going to chain 3 and turn your work. Chain 3 will count as 1 stitch or 1 double crochet stitch. Next, double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Now before you finish off your last or your third double crochet stitch, we're going to drop the yarn and we're going to pick up our first color. Pull through the first color to finish off our third double crochet stitch. With the first color, double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Before finishing off the 4th double crochet stitch, we're going to drop the yarn and pick up the second color, and from there we're going to pull through to finish off the stitch. Now using the second color, you're going to make double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end of the row, changing colors at the end of every 4 double crochet stitch. We're going to switch color, and using the orange yarn, I'm going to chain 3 and turn my work, and again double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Before finishing off the third double crochet stitch, you're going to drop the yarn and pick up the other color, and from there you're going to pull through to finish off the stitch. After that, we're going to make 4 double crochet and then continue repeating the pattern, changing colors at the end of every 4 stitches. Repeat this until you reach the end of the row. Now repeat row number 2 and row number 3. I now have 5 rows in total, including the first row of single crochet stitch. Now chain 1 and turn your work. And for the last row, we're going to single crochet into each stitch. Fasten off and cut the yarn. When you have that, we're going to make another 3 of these pieces before we start putting them all together. To connect the sides of the basket to the base, we're going to single crochet into each stitch and do this for each of the 4 sides. To connect the sides to each other, you're going to make 2 single crochet in each of the double crochet rows and 1 single crochet in each of the single crochet row. Do this for each of the 4 sides. Then fasten off, cut the yarn, and weave in all of the ends. That ends our tutorial for today. You can find part 1 of this video at the link in the description box. If you find this video helpful, please consider to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you next time.